This is Married to the Game, and we're back. It's been a minute, but here we are. We're about to go on a little bike ride this morning. We're heading across the river right now, and there's Kim Boy in the back. Yep. And we're gonna meet everybody up at the bike shop, and then we're gonna take off from there, go to 7NG, and see what happens.
Alright, let's see how far we can go.
Haven't been on a bike ride in a couple of decades. So let's see how it goes. Alright, we're suited up. We're on the bikes. We're about to take off. We got some water in the backpack. We're ready to roll. Yeah, we got the gloves on. We got the bikes. We ready. Just cruising. June 7, 2020. Still married to the game. I'm gonna have to catch up. Well, your water, easily I approach the microphone because I ain't no joke. Yeah. We out here living the life. Cambodia. This is post-COVID. We live it. Whoa, whoa. It's about 7 something in the morning, maybe almost 8 o'clock. We're just chilling. The weather's beautiful. Good day for a bike ride. Okay, well, we just arrived at S Mango for a quick pit stop along the way to 7NG. So let's go ahead and check out the view this morning. Taking a quick pit stop here by the lake. Nice place to chill. Cold drink. Cold drink. Let me get some of that. It's going down, baby. Alright, everybody. It's Married to the Game. Every day is fun day. You know how we do it. Where are we at today? Right now?
7NG.
Okay, we're out here at 7NG. We've just been riding the bikes this morning. We got out here about 7 a.m.-ish to the bike shop, hopped on the bikes, and now we're headed to 7NG. We're almost there. We just took a little break to kind of catch our breath and get some cold drinks. We'll be back on our way soon, and we'll update you when we get there. It's a beautiful day outside, so, you know, get it while it's good. Get it while it's hot. Okay, we got our first drink here. I'm hot, and I'm going to try this. What is it called? What is it called?
Sugar cane juice.
Sugar cane juice. Okay. Let's go ahead and give it a test try.
Fresh.
Yeah, it's actually pretty good.
It's good when it's hot.
I like it. Give me another sip.
Right, another sip.
For round 2 of this sugarcane drink. It's hot out here, guys. June 7th, 2020.
Mấy nhông mấy chiếc ăn đá bông bông rồi đá nhông đá lươn gì chốt chặt lên trong bọc à quạt con chứ phải mới bạch chi hút cái lời rồi trong lâu trong hút lời hết bạch chi nơi nào
Of course, I had to get a flat tire. But at least it's Cambodia, right? We just stop anywhere and they can fix it, so it's no big deal. But you know, just a little pit stop. We're on our way back, and yeah, so I happened to get a flat tire. So we're just stopping to fix that, and then we'll be back to the car. So yeah, we're almost over with this. Looks like it's been about 40 kilometers total of a bike ride today. I am burnt, my face is burnt, my arms are burnt, we're just burnt. But it was fun, definitely fun. You gotta try it. Every day is fun day. Married to the game. Owen, what do you have to say for yourself?
Some cold drink.
Daddy got a flat. Wow, look at my face. Okay, well that's it. We finished it. We made it back. All the way back. 40 kilometers. 20 there, 20 back. And as you can see, my face is burnt. Burnt up.
I need a masana. Every day is fun day.